Good morning.
Good morning.
Morning, Eve. It's okay. We're very tough to tell apart. Big up opening yesterday, big up day yesterday, followed by a flat open this morning. Okay? What does that mean? It means the market doesn't know what it wants to do. Beige book, right? Beige book coming out at 2 o'clock. That's probably why it doesn't know which way it wants to go yet. We had a discussion on the floor earlier this morning about what's the market looking to do over the next 3 weeks, basically, or 4 weeks. And me, who's traditionally bearish on most of my statements, has said, listen, I doubt the market will end the month lower than the market is today, only because, of the idea of painting the tape. The idea that managers don't want to give up this phenomenal year that they've had will do everything to supplement whatever work the government is doing to try to keep this market up. They'll do everything they can to keep the market up. So, what then are we thinking about on a morning like today? I'm still thinking this morning with a bearish tick. Spiking, when you get some spike up, short it. We saw it pre-market where we had a little spike up on an ADP number that actually should have pulled it down, and it was a great place to short. So I think the market is flat to negative, and the negative that it is, by the way, won't be any more than 40 or 50 points before the beige book comes out, in my opinion, but they're going to keep it in a tight range this morning, 50 up, 50 down, max, but probably 50 down to 20 up max, is my guess, just because they're waiting to see what's going to happen with these numbers. And by the way, even when the numbers come out, I don't know if the number is going to make any difference whatsoever, but it's an excuse to basically negate a complete day after a bunch of good days, to negate a complete day that could be a down day from a technical standpoint. It's just going to neutralize the day. So they'll do everything they can not to do it. Now, does that mean we won't get hit? Well, the things that are keeping the market up right now is, I think, gold once again running up nearly $10. It was up, 13 at one point this morning. That's, keeping, I think, the market in one place. It's confusing the marketplace because it's making everyone not know which way to go with commodities. So gold's trading up and steel is trading up and all these different people are trading up. They're not sure which way to go. I'm still inclined with the flat futures to take a couple of shots, shorting some things into spikes. I'm not randomly putting stuff out. I'm not taking any big risks. Just take a couple of light positions, see what happens, and then, play the beige book comments. Now, the only thing you're going to look for in the beige book comments is anything different or unexpected. If it's different and unexpected, they're going to sell it off. I don't see anything positive that the beige book can say to make it run the market that they're not expecting. They're expecting all good news, right? I guess the only thing they can turn around and say is that the economy is wonderful and the real estate market is completely recovered, and that would make the market explode. But I would expect it to be kind of light. So again, trade it light before that beige book number, tight range, and after the beige book number, react to the number itself. If it spikes, short the spike. If it drops, buy the big dip down. Eve?